Hey guys, T here. I want to talk about a new series that I'm going to put out real soon. It's called Cool Things. What it is a look at some unusual items, some things that might need to be fixed or might need to be refurbished, and some things that are just cool, and I want to share them with you. So please stay tuned for Cool Things. It's coming at you real soon. And here's just a few of the things I'm going to be showing. Here's a pair of proportional dividers that my grandfather used. A bioscope by Wallensack. There's a heated lunchbox from the 50s. Boy, that's great. Keep your lunch nice and hot. We've all seen these loops to look at photographs, and boy, here's an old one, brass, and it's got an adjustment on it. It's really cool. Here's a big old Navy lamp. We're gonna fix this boy. Here's a universal toaster from 1915. I think I wanna toast something with this boy. Old electrical wire strippers. One hand action, strips the wire. Cool. So that's some of the stuff that I think are cool things, and we're gonna look at them as I make videos on each one of them. Some of them need fixing, as I said. Some of them are just cool, and I want to share them with you. So thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. I'll see you soon.